Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Saturday, another shave, and boy have we got a good one lined up for you today. As always, if you're new to the channel, please click like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please look at some of my other videos. There's plenty to choose from. I upload twice a week. And if you're a regular viewer, subscriber, watcher, commenter, the list is endless, but welcome back guys. Thank you for your continued support. As you've seen in the thumbnail, got some stuff here. Look at this. We'll start off the brush. That is the Yaqi 26mm. Now, on the photograph when I got it because it looked really bright yellow. And I don't know if that, as I look at it now, it's slightly different. It's more of a butterscotch, but yeah, it's nice brush, 26mm tuxedo knot, very soft. We'll get that in some water. The official John Shaves Super Soaker. I know, it's not stick it up in Super Soaker. Who does that? I stick it up in Super Soaker. Right, well, it's not one of them. So that's the brush, we've got that into soak. The razor, let's check this out guys, look. It's the beast from the east. Get it the right way up. Yaqi DLC, that's the Yaqi beast, that guys. And it's a heavy beast and all. And what we're going to do, that was a gift to me from Craig Will. Thank you, Craig. He gave me the head. The handle is from another Yaqi razor that I had, almost identical to the beast, but a slant version. I've cut myself on that one so many times, guys. Anyway, the razor we're going to be putting in the beast, the feather. On the first use, I tend not to use, this is only a handful of razors I will use more than once. I'm usually a one and done kind of a guy. But yeah, we'll put this one, we'll save that paper there, because we'll probably, these are better on the second use. If anybody out there's watching and have not used feathers before, as a general rule of thumb, they tend to be smoother and a bit better on their second use than on their first. Just drop the head cap in the sink full of warm water. There you go. So we'll get that in there. We'll get that on there. And well, I can feel now there is some overhang to be aware of. Not much, but I'll show it to you at the camera. Look at that blade gap, guys. Can you see the overhang? Can you see it? The camera's at that end. There you go. And that's it. It's a beast. Beast by name, beast by nature. We'll get it in there. When the shave's over and done with, we're going to balm up with Nivea Skin Energy, and we're going to be putting that on top of the aftershave. Check this out, the Goodfellas Smile Solo Aftershave, and that's also the soap that we're going to be using today. As always, I've got on the Shaving Time website. I'll just read out the notes for you. It says, new fragrance characterised by notes of citrus fruit, tangerine, lemon, eucalyptus. They blend perfectly with heart notes of jasmine, thrush, gardenia, clary sage. Will be supported by notes of fonda de madeiras, amber, sandalwood, musk, tonka bean, and vetiver. Now, when I smell it, guys, I'll tell you right now, I get jasmine, clary sage, and vetiver is what I get. But it's a lovely, masculine, floral scent. And it's based on, Stuart George, oh, what's it called? Chanel Platinum Egoist, is it called? I think it's called. And that was actually a gift from Stuart to me. He gave that to me. We did a trade, and I say it every time I trade with Stuart, I always get the better end of the deal. He's a kind and generous man. Thank you, Stuart. He gifted me that. So I bought that. As of about an hour ago on Shaving Time, I think that was £8.95, and that was about £11.45. I think you get the two for about £20 and a bit of change. But if you use this channel code John101 and get 10% off, It works out at about £9 each. I would say it's worth it, but that's up to you. But if you do decide to give it a try and you like it, just remember, if you want 10% gone, use John 101. There you go. Let's open it and have a look. Oh, well, there you go. Look at this. Have you ever seen that? It's sealed. It's actually, well, how bizarre. It's actually sealed. Isn't that there? Huh. And there's the pour, guys. Oh God, it's, do you know, it smells. It smells. Scent strength, we'll put it about a 4, but look at this, look. It's very, very soft. Very soft indeed. But we're still going to load up right from the puck, so what we'll do is we'll wet the face and then we'll crack on. Somebody messaged me and said, why do you have a sink full of water instead of running things under the tap? And I messaged back, because I want to. That was the end of that conversation. Here we go. There you go. Never used it. I've used the Goodfellas Smile before and it's always been very, very good stuff. But here we go. Yeah. It's not a great scent strength, but it's very, very nice. Very, very nice indeed. So we'll load up right from there. Now that wasn't a lot, was it? We'll get it on there. Let's see where we go. Yeah. The scent strength picks up. Now in the soap, I'm picking up the florals and the citrus. When I sniffed this before, I sniffed the aftershave. And I got the vetiver and the clary sage. No, I love vetiver, clary sage. Wow, look at this, guys. We're going to dip the tips. Let's see where we go. You're seeing it for yourself, look at this. It's making a fantastic lather. It smells fantastic. Wow. Now I'm not one for the Santa's beard lather, but that's exactly what this is making. Look at this. Get that on there. Pauline, can you see that? Wow. From that, just that little load. We'll clean up, we'll crack on with this beast. And we'll chat some bubbles in. So here we go. First pass, Yaqi beast. Have you used this beast? What do you think? Have you used it with a feather? I'm using this because I've got an important Zoom meeting this evening at 7 o'clock. And I need to look presentable. I said to my wife, I need to look my very best. She said, well, put a bag over your head. So, how are you all doing? How is your week progressing? We're at the weekend, eh? I'm recording this on a Friday. You'll see it Saturday. It's my Saturday shave. I record it on a Friday. I don't like doing that. But like I said, I do have a very important Zoom meeting. This Yaqi beast. It is a beast and all. Me personally, I don't think it's as aggressive as the R41. But that's just me. So please let me know what your shave of the day is. You're seeing what mine is. Have you used Goodfellas Smile? Let me know what you think of that. Some lovely days here. Clear blue skies. It's very warm actually. And we're finished now for the weekend. because it's a Saturday shave, we get the SOTD. So what's your SOTD? Your slurp of the day. I'm going to have this Zoom meeting. I'll be on it for exactly 1 hour. And then I may partake of a glass of wine before bed. So please let me know what you think of this stuff. Let me know what you think of today's shave. I can't link you that. I'll link Yaqi brushes, but I can't link you that because that was an eBay find. Sometimes, just every now and again, when I see a real bargain on eBay that I'm not interested in, I will post a link on John Shaves 101 just to let you guys know, if you're not on eBay or you've not thought about it, check this out. And some people have got some good stuff that way. So let me know, as always, anything shaving related. Do you know anything non-shaving related? You want to question me anything, it's johnshavesit101@gmail.com. Drop me an email. Ask me anything. And in the comments, my shaves are all pretty well planned out. A couple of weeks in advance, believe it or not. I kind of have just like a kind of rough outline of what I'll be doing on Wednesday, Saturday, and the Wednesday and Saturday after. I've kind of got it mapped out, but it's not set in stone, And people have said to me, John, can you use this blade? John, can you use that razor? And I will always incorporate it if I can. I will always incorporate that for you. So if you've got something you'd like to see me use, let me know. Wow. That soap is very slick. That razor's very smooth. So I'm sure there was something else. I wanted to talk to you about. But it's that, dad brain. Call it dad. That's what my daughter says. She says, you've got dad brain. Oh, do you know what happened to me the other day, guys? First time it's ever happened to me. 55 years old. First time it's ever happened to me. I got up, walked in the kitchen, like that. A split second, walked in the kitchen and thought to myself, what am I coming here for? And I was stood there for about 5 minutes going, what on earth are you doing? Could not remember what I'd gone to the kitchen for. Oh, I went, sat down, I was nearly crying. Samantha says to me, it's that dad brain. Yes, I know it is. That doesn't help. So what are you up to for the weekend? Have you got any plans? Things are slowly starting to get back to normal. A little bit more every day. I'm just hearing statistics, a lot of people are upset about the vaccine and so on. I'm not affiliated with anyone. It's completely and utterly your choice, and only you can make it. But I'm double jobbed, and I would get it again in a heartbeat. I had a COVID test just today. I deliver. Oh guys, I'm a delivery driver. I deliver everything, anything you can think of, I deliver it. And I work for a large multinational, multi-billion pound European conglomerate. I won't tell you the name, I don't know what the policy is. But as part of it, they have vending machines in these mega factories. But it's not tea and coffee and sugar and chocolate. It's drill bits and safety glasses and rubber gloves. And part of my job. Oh, that is a beast. The beast give me a kiss. Yeah, look, that's a bump, a skin bump, that, so I'm not counting that. If I am CDB, cannot count skin, but I'm not counting them either. There you go, Lathermans. You know we love you, Chris. Look at that. Yeah. It's just the usual suspects, guys. Lovely, beautiful, soft on the chin. Absolutely nothing. Just the usual suspects here. So that's what we're going to do. Let me know if you've used this soap and this splash. Oh, thank you once again to Stuart. And that's it. We'll call it. Last thing you want to do, guys, is overshave it. That's when you get into the realms of irritation. I know for most of you I'm preaching to the choir, but I've had a couple of messages off a couple of new people asking me for advice. So I stick these little bits and bobs in there for those that don't know, and to make myself look good, really. Check this out, guys, and so I get it the right way up. Are you ready? Joined the gym. Well, I joined it ages ago, I've not been yet. And I got this towel so I'd look cool walking. I've never wiped any sweat off with it, and it's been there. But I thought, I've got to get it used. So, I got it out and I'll have it for my shaving towel today. Oh, and that is our shave, guys. What do you think? Look at that. Well, I lean in like this because the guys think it's handsome, and all the women swoon. And yeah, I forgot to do it once, and guys, the amount of private messages I got off young women saying, we look forward to that leaning, don't you forget it again. So there you go. Let's get it. Oh man, look, this is going to sting, isn't it? Is it? No. Wow. Yeah, there's menthol in that, guys. Oh, but there's menthol, and what comes through now? There's citrus. Yeah, once the air hits it, the citrus comes through. And I thought we'd put some of the moisture back with that. Nivea Skin Energy, it's good stuff, this, guys. Oh, look at that. You don't... Come on, that's it, get that. You don't need a lot. Okay. Please let me know what your shaves are. Please leave a comment down below about anything in the shave. Or if you just want to leave a comment about nothing in the shave, just say hello. That's it. If you've got nothing to say in the comments, right, just say hello. And I'll answer you and I'll say hello back. And we'll say hello to each other. And we'll get the weekend off to a cracking start, eh? Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Look after yourselves. And remember, as far as it depends upon you, be peaceable with all men. And I will see you on Wednesday. Go on, surprisingly enough, for the Wednesday shave. Take it easy, guys. Bye.